Why AI will replace 60% of agents. If you're an agent struggling to secure listings today, listen closely. You are completely misunderstanding the artificial intelligence threat. The real question is exactly when AI will eliminate your current job. I'm not making vague predictions about the future of our industry. This new graph and research from Anthropic reveals a massive danger zone for agents. The data shows AI already possesses the theoretical capability to replace us. By year 3, the bottom 40% of agents will be gone. By year 10, we will see a 60% drop in licensed agents. Here's why this directly impacts your commission checks right now. If you only close 2 to 4 deals a year, you are defenseless. Your bottom line will vanish if you just show houses and write offers. AI can already draft contracts and review disclosures better than any of us. Maybe your defense is asking who will physically show the houses. Automated tour apps, smart locks, ID, and background checks will soon be making that service completely obsolete. Zillow already has the pieces in place. Zillow listing showcase photographers delivering exceptional experiences already. You must aggressively build a hyperlocal brand that algorithms cannot duplicate. AI cannot tell a buyer which specific HOA board is an absolute nightmare. Are you actively using AI to scale or just waiting to be replaced? Share this video with another agent who needs a serious reality check. Comment below with your exact plan to survive the next 3 years, and check the link in my bio for the full article. Want to stay up to date on all things AI and real estate? Join my free newsletter at agentaibrief.com or look for my link in the bio.